So we're 4 months into this experiment with mulch and fungicides on tomatoes, and we have our 3 plants here. This plant right here, we did not put any mulch down, and we did not apply any fungicide through the season so far. You can see that it has quite a bit of damage. There's quite a few branches that have dried up and shriveled up because of the fungus. So it was completely unprotected. Moving on here to this next plant, it had mulch but no fungicide, so that kind of prevents the fungus from splashing up off the dirt. And you can see that it has some fungal damage here, but not nearly as much as the first plant. And then moving on to the third plant here, this one was mulched and also had fungicide applied on a regular interval. And you can see that it is looking the most healthy of the 3 plants, and it has very little fungal damage. So I think at this point we can draw the conclusion that mulch and fungicide help with tomato blight.